Did you know the FBI hunted America's most wanted terrorist for 18 years, only to catch him because of a typewriter? Fyodor Kaczynski, the Unabomber, terrorized the nation with 16 bombing attacks between 1978 and 1995. The FBI had nothing, no fingerprints, no witnesses, no leads. Then in 1995, Kaczynski sent newspapers a 35,000-word manifesto demanding they publish it or face more bombs. The FBI agreed, hoping someone would recognize the writing style. That someone was David Kaczynski, who read it and felt sick. The words sounded exactly like his brother Ted. He contacted the FBI, who raided a remote cabin in Montana. Inside, they found a smoking gun, a 1960s Smith Corona typewriter. Forensic experts matched every letter, every spacing pattern, every tiny imperfection to the manifesto. The same machine had typed the terrorists' demands for nearly 2 decades. Along with bomb components and handwritten journals, this single typewriter connected the Harvard mathematician to every attack. One brother's courage and one old typewriter ended America's longest domestic terror campaign.